Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have an Aliexpress haul to share with you guys. I have been getting dies kind of like trickling in every now and then. I don't make a video for like one item, so I saw that I've had these dies sitting on my desk for a while, and I figured I'd do one quick little video sharing with you guys my most recent dies. If you follow me on Instagram, I might have showed like a sneak peek or like a quick overview on over there, but let me show you guys my most recent little purchases that have been coming in. And I did purchase these a few weeks back. So the first thing I got is this die. I've been wanting, I have the hearts, I think I have the triangle, no, not the triangle, the square. I have the square, but I wanted the rectangle one, so I picked this one up. And this is what it looks like. You get quite a few pieces. You get 9 pieces. And I love these because you can make shakers, you can make layered cards. So that's the reason why I like to do the nesting dies, because you can make beautiful cards with those type of dies. And the next item that I'm going to show you guys are these cute little clips that come with these little glass little shaker balls, little charms. How cute is that? They have like little stars in the inside, and I've seen quite a few people haul these, so I wanted to pick some up. I ordered some more, but I'm still waiting for them. So they come with a little clip if you want to dangle them from there, but I might be adding them to something else. But you get 5 in a pack, and they come in this cute little box. I'll have everything linked down below. So I got that. I also picked up these super cute little, I love the style of these clips. And these remind me so much of Shara Crane. Back when I had sent her this Easter box, she was so excited that she kept getting these in Happy Mail. And look, you guys, I bought a huge pack for like $1.20 maybe. And they're so cute. These are fun to add in Happy Mail or create projects with them. So I picked them up in pink. And then I had seen Tony show this die, so I had ordered it, but I'm yet to use it. It's a Memorydex like fold type of card, so I guess you can fold it this way and that way, and it makes like a little pocket card, but it's also a Memorydex. So I picked up this one. I also got the Rosette Die, but it's the heart-shaped one. I've been meaning to do those for what seems like forever. I do have a file on my Cricut, but I've never used it. And I picked up the die. So I need to start playing with these, because I buy these dies and then I don't use them. And it's like, what's the point? So this is a bride bow. I think I showed you guys that I had picked up the other one, the one with the little hearts on it, from Alina Crafts. So I got in this one, which I still haven't touched, and then I got the bride bow. I always see Erica Scrap Diva use a bunch of pretty bows, so that's why I wanted to snatch some up. And then I saw Nifty Craft on Instagram post a bunch of these. She sells little kits using this rosette, so of course I picked up the die, and I made a few of these. Let me see if I can show you guys what they look like. And I did post them on my Instagram. Super cute. Oops. This is what they look like cut. Isn't that pretty? And this is the die that you use to create these. So I got that. And then the last thing I have to show you guys is this one, which I saw on Erica's channel. She has the, I think she has 2 different sizes. It's the Happy Mail. So cute. I cannot wait to put this on something. It's so, when I saw it on her channel, I was like, I need that. So pretty. I love it. And I love how you can separate it and layer it. But yeah, you guys, that is my quick Aliexpress haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.